What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out, and in this episode we're checking out a Khmer style house in Kampot, Cambodia. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to fight without sea. Meet people, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on my trip out. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Alright, so we're just waiting for the tuk-tuk to grab us and we're going over. I've got a gig this Friday with my friend James. He's playing piano and blues harmonica and stuff, and we got to have a jam, and he lives in a beautiful Khmer style house. And I think there's a pond there or a body of water, so it should be a really nice video. I haven't seen it yet. Alright, so here it comes. Hi. Thank you. I hear a piano. I think this is it behind me here. I hear him setting up the piano for our jam.
Hey Tom!
Hey,
You found me!
found it.
Welcome to my jungle!
We've got fun and games.
Eh?
So it looks like there's two houses. There's this one here on stilts. And there's this area over here through the jungle where we're gonna jam.
That's Louie, my cat.
This is a nice table and place to chill out here, and
Woody used to live here with his girlfriend at one time.
it's covered.
His old girlfriend.
It's right on a pond.
That's all morning glory.
It's all morning glory out here.
Yeah. I fastened to get to pull
Nice.
them in. It's got a rope on it. And I just throw it out there, pull them in.
So he uses this to get all the morning glory out of the pond. What's the story, morning glory?
That's the story, morning glory, yeah. Anyway. That's how we do it.
So now that we're in here, we can actually see this building. We couldn't see it from the road.
So it's basically two Khmer houses, right? That's my old rehearsal room. I got a big powered JBL speaker up in there.
Nice.
Two of them, actually.
So there's that, and then the one we're underneath right now.
Yeah. Yeah.
There's one above us here.
Yeah.
So James is telling me this once was a vegetarian Japanese restaurant run by a husband and wife here.
Yeah.
That's why it's a beautiful scenic spot and
Yeah.
lots of different places to sit. I guess over here is like
Old,
storage and a workroom in there
Yeah.
behind me.
Right here. Cool.
So here's like some more place to work on stuff.
I love living here, man. I've been here for a long time.
Then there's a kitchen through here.
Yeah. It's all open air, so it's really hard to keep clean in there.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's because it's completely Khmer style, so it's open air and
Totally.
yeah, so it's
Yeah.
you know
These are,
open to the elements totally. You can see there's a water filter, double sink,
gas stove.
gas stove, and then pantry space.
Got an oven in there, microwave.
That's
Got a
not
washing machine in the over my toilet there. Works good.
oven, microwave, fridge.
Nice fridge. Yeah. Got everything, man. Toaster, my microwave machine, oven.
Liquor cabinet.
Yeah. And still got martini glasses and Belgian beer glasses here. Yeah.
So now we'll check out up here above where we were just standing, you know, down here.
I got mango trees here.
And there's like a patio deck up here. He said he has mango trees and other trees around here. Wow. Couch up here and
Indonesian girlfriend's clothing hanging up there.
And there's a bedroom in both of these?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We go up there.
Then under this other house, there's enough room for a car. So this is right in front of the gate, so you would park
I had a
bikes
car
in here.
for months.
And of course, it's out of the rain because we're underneath the house here. Cut the audio out. Cool. So
It's gone through a lot of different things.
one interesting thing, James here is originally from Toronto too. So we're Canadian boys.
Yeah.
So James and I, we have a mutual friend who's a musician who a long time ago got a really long-term lease on this property. I think it might have been 10 years, and you get a really good deal on it. And that friend is renting it to James, subletting it, and James only pays $200 a month for this whole thing. Gated in, room for parking, and 2 buildings and a pond, body of water too. And you get to be in the jungle and experience like the Khmer style, traditional style.
Hot, cold shower in here. Washing machine works good.
Hot and cold shower and a washing machine in here.
Samsung.
Yeah, nice.
Got it used for $75. Looks really good. It spin dries.
Hot water shower.
Yeah, this is kind of houses you find in the province.
Yeah, so James is saying this is the style of house you'd see way out in the provinces in the countryside. And here's where we're going to have our band practice today. James and I have a gig on Friday at the Maddie Bar downtown in Campot. We're going to do a blues set, blues piano, and he's also got all the harmonicas there ready.
Yeah.
Each one is for whatever key
Every
you're
key,
playing in.
key. And I got minor harmonics as well.
Wow, he's got it all. So he's got a harmonica mic. Then you hold this in your hand, like, and you palm it while you're blowing through the harmonica, and it really sounds cool. It distorts. And then this is an really old Fender tube amp.
Yeah.
And it's that microphone is wireless.
I use it on recordings. That's my wireless.
Yeah.
I go out and dance with the crowd, man. I've done that. Yeah.
So we're taking a 5-minute break from the jam, and it just started raining, and look how cool and peaceful this looks. Sounds like one of those nature soundtracks you put on when you want to relax, and you put on a rain sound. Rain in the Cambodian mangroves. So James here was saying when it's the really intense rain, right now is a normal drizzle, but when it's very bad, the water can rise up enough to flood this area. And he said he's been eating at this table, and literally fish swimming around his ankles, looks down and there's fish around, and pulling a river snail off his ankle while he's chilling here.
There's a full ecosystem in that pond, man. It's like everything in there.
If you came home and all this area was flooded, you know, you'd walk in from over here,
That's why
come in by the driveway, and you could...
the walkway is elevated.
Yeah, and there's an elevated walkway here, so you can As long as you stay on the walkway, you'd park your bike, which is raised a bit, then stay on this walkway.
Yeah. It's really funny when it gets super flooded because my cat Louie doesn't want to step in the water.
And then you can go up the stairs there or up the stairs there, and you're raised up a bit here.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I hope it was interesting to see what a Khmer style house looks like and what you can get for just $200 a month. Until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.
My name's Tom. This is my trip out.
I'm watching the chart too, so I'll try to get my brain around it. D, 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 C, C, D, B, B. What are you playing at the very start that's going down like that?